Now to the latest in the fight against COVID-19. Today, the FDA giving the green light for children as young as 5 to get a bivalent COVID-19 booster shot. However, the CDC still needs to give its stamp of approval before those shots can be administered. So join us now, Chief Health Editor Dr. Partha Nandi. And Dr. Nandi, what do parents need to know about this?
Yeah, I'm very excited. Why? Because I'm a parent, right? And 2 of my kids will likely be able to get an updated booster shot soon. Now, the new boosters, Brian, target both the original strain of COVID that first emerged in Wuhan, China, as well as Omicron's BA4 and BA5 subvariants. Now, Pfizer's bivalent booster was authorized for kids between the ages of 5 and 11. It's a 10 microgram dose. Now, Moderna's bivalent booster was authorized for kids 6 through 17 years of age. When it comes to dosing, here the amount is variable based on age. Kids 6 to 11 will get 25 micrograms, and kids 12 to 17 will get 50 microgram dosing. Both Pfizer and Moderna shots will be given 2 months after the initial 2-shot primary series or after a previous booster.
Okay, so the FDA authorized the shots without direct data of the effectiveness of the BA5 on children. So should this be concerning?
And a lot of my colleagues have talked about this too. You know, the FDA did not authorize the new shots without direct human data on their effectiveness, but that doesn't mean that they blindly approved these boosters. What they did was look at the immune response and safety data from clinical studies, Brian, involving kids who received the original vaccines as boosters. Then they evaluated data from a clinical study. The FDA also considered real-world experience with the original vaccines, which have been given, remember, to millions of people, including young children. So right now, the Omicron subvariants BA4 and BA5 make up about 80% of the circulating virus in the U.S. And kids are back in school, right? Classrooms and people are returning to their pre-pandemic lives. The virus has had plenty of opportunity to spread. Now, kids overall may not be at high risk for severe disease, but kids have been hospitalized. We know that, and some have actually died. Plus, they experience long-term effects. Many of my patients talk about this, and this impacts their daily lives. The hope is that with these new bivalent shots, that they can provide durable, long-lasting protection because they're targeting the current dominant strain, not a previous one. Plus, a new analysis found, and get this, if folks got their booster before the end of the year, we could have roughly 90,000 deaths due to COVID be prevented this fall and winter. To me, that's a big number. Bottom line, getting kids fully vaccinated and boosted not only protects them, but also the folks around them, like their grandma and grandmas all over and grandpa. So that's the key here. And I think that, folks are going to look at this and make their decisions. But for my kids, I think the decision is pretty clear. I think I'm going to get them done.
And that's important. That's not just for you. It's for others, too.
Exactly. You protect everybody around you.
All right. Dr. Nandi, grateful as always. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
If you have a question for Dr. Nandi, you can email him, Dr. Nandi at askdrnandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.